What's up guys, it's early in the morning. I'm on my way to Verbier, I think that's how you pronounce it. Looking for some Gumball cars. Actually I was on the drive back from Côte d'Azur, from Monaco and Nice, and made a stop here because it was on my way anyways, and I heard that the Gumball cars would stop here. Actually I've been here yesterday already, booked a hotel here, saw Shmee and some other cool cars, but I missed the hypercars like the Bugatti Chiron, and there's supposed to be a Lamborghini Sian, which came very late, so I didn't get to see it because it was too dark to take pictures, and I left to the hotel. So I'm gonna drive over now. I heard that they will probably stay a bit longer, like they probably will leave at around 10 o'clock, and it's 8:30 now. So let's see if we can find them. I will show you the video footage of yesterday first, and if I'm lucky I will show you some more from today. I initially wanted to drive to the hotel where they stayed overnight, but it was pretty packed and they kind of blocked it like a few hundred meters away from it. There was no parking, so I decided to get on the road further down and stay here. I guess the shots will be more beautiful here anyway, so let's see what we will find. back in the hotel now, as you probably have seen. I got some really cool shots. The Sian drove past the Pur Sport. So I hope you like this kind of video. Let me know in the comments below what you want to see more of, and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.